Sir, where is the route going to Mindanilla?
Ha?
Where is the route going to Mindanilla?
Mindanilla?
Yeah.
Dito lang ka. Abot ang buno, kunahan Mindanilla.
You speak English, sir. I'm sorry, sir. I'm Abdullah.
Yung... wala na. City, Lion, Tuko, Mindanilla.
How many minutes there?
Mga kuhan, half hour.
Half an hour?
Oh.
It's very far?
Oh,
Far?
you go na.
Yeah, I want to go. So, do you have any recommendations? What is the delicious food?
Dalam nini? Delicious food?
Maybe what? What name?
Hey. Mini delicious food. Dalam nini basta kayo mini.
Pinoy food.
Okay, Pinoy.
Yeah, ito na ko basta. Tamat kayo basta.
Amo hindi pambuang.
Basta ka vlog.
Vlogger ka? Oh, okay.
Ito na ko ah.
Oh, okay. Dito lang ka dito.
Oh, sige.
Yeah.
Ato kita ko basta. Nagapit ko vlog ba?
Oh, vlog. Ato kang vlog dito.
Oh. Tamat kayo basta.
Pasakyan dito yan, esquina.
Asa mo karapit?
Kada esquina.
Sige.
Oh, alam mo, taas ka na yung motor.
Ataas na kayo?
Oh, sakit ako tuhod.
Kung ano ba ka? Gusto ko. Antara ko tayo.
Oh, okay.
Kita nga ano.
Vlog deh ka? Odel.
Di boss?
Tagadiri
tagadiri ka.
Oh.
Sige.
Tagadiri mo ko, bulak ko.
Dapat ha?
Oh.
Sir, I'm going to the road going to Colon. Where can I go? Where?
Here.
Do you speak English, sir? I can understand.
Oh. Okay. No. Your turn.
So I can
You go to.
so I can turn. I can you turn there.
No, your turn, no?
No, you turn. So where can I go?
No, your turn.
So I can go straight there.
And PLDT.
What?
PLDT.
PLDT. So
You turn doon.
So I can you turn there. Okay, salamat kayo boss. Ato na po. Sir. Excuse me, sir. Sir, where is the road going to SRP?
May Gesano.
SRP.
Oh, pakuha ka ng supply, paano ka?
Sir, I'm sorry, sir. I am Pilam. Can you speak English, sir?
Oh.
So where can I go?
May supply, paano?
So I can go right straight there, left side.
Oh.
Okay. Thank you so much.
Okay.
Thank you.